Hello guys and welcome back to Cyber War Lab. Did you know that spies used to hide secret messages on tattooed bald heads only to reveal them when their hair grew back? Wild, right? But what if I told you right now you could do something even cooler right on your computer? I'm talking about steganography, the art of hiding secret messages inside ordinary files. Why would anyone use this? Well, imagine you are playing a capture the flag or maybe protecting sensitive info. This is your secret weapon. Get this. Historians say ancient Greeks hid messages in a wax tablets covered by a second layer of wax. Even blockbuster movies like National Treasure Hunt use hidden clues. Makes you wonder, what secrets are you hiding in your files? Let's do a live demo. Let's install Snow, a tool for digital secret messages. First, download your zip file from darkside.com. Great. Next, let's unzip it. Right-click, hit extract, easy as pie. See, this file, snow.exe, that's our magic wand. I have just pasted it in the directory I'll be using. Also, you may see that for me, it's written all in capital letter. But that doesn't matter. Now, let's take a moment to understand the basics before starting it. Here's the key part. This is the Snow command you'll need. -C tells Snow how to compress your secret message for extra stealth. -M, this is where you put your secret message. Here, my bank account number is 567890. You can put whatever you want here. -P, the password that will lock or encrypt the secret data. In this example, it's simply password, but you can use any word or phrase that you want. Also, we'll be using here two files, readme.txt and readme2.txt. The first one, that's our innocent looking file, the cover. And the second one, this is the new file that Snow will create. It contains both your ordinary text and your hidden message. Like I said, we'll need a normal text file to act as a cover. Create a text file. I'll use this as readme.txt. But remember, always make sure that your file and Snow program are in the same folder. It will save a lot of hassle with file paths later. I'll be typing something like you have been hacked because this is just a demo. Now click in the address bar and type cmd to open command prompt. Let's copy our Snow command and paste it here. Take your time, check every part and hit enter. Snow will process and you'll see a confirmation that your message was compressed and hidden. In case you're wondering what just happened, let's go back to our folder. You'll see readme.txt, the original we created, and readme2.txt. All you can see is you have been hacked. Nothing strange, right? But the truth is, your secret is now literally inside that file. It's invisible unless you know exactly how to pull it out. How to get your hidden message out? Easy. Let me show you. This is the second command which we'll be using. Here, Snow will ask for password. Type it exactly as you did before. Let's go to command prompt once again. Directory. First, let's try checking our hidden file directly. Here also, the text is invisible. Let's paste the command. And here it is, the secret message right in your terminal. If you use a wrong password or make a typo, nothing shows up. That's why you always double check your password and file names. If you're practicing for exam or CTF, you'll usually be given a file like xyz.txt in your downloads or workspace. Your job is to extract the invisible message just like you did here. Malware authors sometimes use images and files to transport command codes using steganography. The tech you just learned, hackers and forensic experts use it in real-world missions. So, next time if you open a file and see only regular text, don't get fooled. The real secret might be buried deeper. If you want a more advanced video on how to find messages inside image, stick around for my next video. If you got any value out of this, let me know in the comments. Subscribe for next hands-on demo, image steganography with real-life cyber techniques.